Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, more than around 13 years have passed since I left India and I'm living outside India across various countries. So a lot of people ask me like what are things I really miss after coming out of India. It's a very emotional topic but I want to share my side of the story. Okay, so there's nothing serious, but yeah, these things can vary. So the very first thing I miss, guys, was like my own people. Regardless of whatever you become in life, wherever you go, whatever you achieve, there's still a vacuum of your own people. I have a family and I'm very happy with them, but I miss my some family members, right? My mother and all, because that relation is very strong that cannot be replaced. I know some of you say, why don't you call your mother here? I can definitely, and I have tried before too, but she doesn't want to, because it's not that she doesn't love me, but she's ready to come for a short time, but for a long time, no, she's happy over there. And at this age, I also don't want to her to come here and feel lonely, because if I am feeling a bit like that, how about her? For her it would be even more at her age, right? Then I miss my friends. I'm not in touch with everyone, my school friends, my college friends, but to some of them I am. And now, because of the advancement of technology, we are even more closer. We are closer than before, because I have now WhatsApp group and other areas where I'm always in touch with them. But that togetherness, that I am missing, definitely. Sometimes I feel, had I been in India at this time, what my life could have been. To be honest with you guys, before I left India, I was doing a very good job over there. I was earning well in Indian rupees, not too well, means of course like they're billionaires living, I was nothing in front of them. But yeah, for someone like me, it was fine. I mean, in my family, I did not have such kind of huge responsibilities by the time I moved to Canada. So I would have been like I was like well to do in India too. But yeah, I wanted to get something better, and that's where I decided to come here, and that's okay. Then I miss, guys, festivities. Today is Raksha Bandhan and all other festivals. Now we do have community centers, we do have temples where we do celebrate, and sometimes even at very high scale. But whatever intensity, whatever scale we maintain here, it's not in comparison to what we have seen in India. Like, I have seen festivities, Navaratri, Durga Puja, Diwali in India. Like, I really miss. To be honest, I really miss. Those were the days of my childhood. They have like special place, and I honestly miss them. In the year 2022, when I went to India, I was in India for the festival of Diwali, and I enjoyed. I can never forget that after 10 years, I could still celebrate Diwali in India. But since then, almost 3 years have passed, and I don't think I'll be able to go anytime soon. But again, nobody has seen the future. Food and all, I don't miss much, to be honest, because I get good food at my home. And almost everything that we could get in India in terms of groceries are available here. Almost everything. I see all major brands being exported here. Price could be different, could be expensive, no doubt. But yeah, you can get everything. There's nothing to that you miss. Of course, some of you may say you don't get the same taste. That I agree. India is such a rich, vibrant cultural country with too many diversities infused. Like, it's difficult if you say, oh, I want pani puri of this city, similar taste, I cannot. So that may not be. That I agree. But yeah, overall, I don't find like any difference. But yes, those things do matter. Especially I have been brought up in a very small town. Okay, I have been brought up in a very small town in a very middle class family. So that values I have seen, that society I have seen, that I don't see exist, to be honest. I was living in an apartment back in India. There were like 6 apartments in the building, and we all knew each other. We all like used to celebrate festivals with each other, Holi, Diwali, and all festivals. And we used to meet, we used to greet. We all were middle class families. Nobody even had a car. Only one house had the phone, that too landline in my childhood days. I remember those days. We had a black and white TV to watch. All those days have gone for something better. Like the present generation is not gonna realize the days that we had seen. Present generation goes to school, tuitions in cars only, and they want everything on fingertips. Anything they want, they just use apps. This wasn't the time that I have seen, right? And many of you might have seen. So all those old days, guys, I miss. That was of a different taste altogether. But to be honest, guys, I'm planning that I should do an India trip, and at least for a month or so I would like to go. I would like to, last trip I could not meet much relatives, I could not meet much friends, but this time I would like to. Some of my relatives felt really bad I did not meet them, and they were correct. I had the opportunity, but I did not. But this time I'll make sure, without even telling them, I'll go and knock their door and say, hey, it's me, can I come in? Hopefully they will let me in. If not, God knows. So now, do you like, now what do you feel? What am I like, do you agree with me? I hope yes. So just my observation, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel.